Jai Srimannarayana. Second sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Idam jnanam upasritya mama sadharmyam agataha सर्गेऽपि नोपजायन्ते प्रलये न व्यधन्ति च। ॐ Give top priority to acquire Atmajnanam in this lifetime. That is only the way you can get rid of the cycle of birth and death, and you can definitely attain the equal status of Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall definitely give top priority to acquire Atmajnanam. I realize that only with the help of Atmajnanam I can get rid of the cycle of birth and death and reach the status, equivalent status of yourself. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapetamakrityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 263rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma, along with his brother Baladeva and his friends Gopalas in Vrindavan, they are gazing all the cows on the banks of river Yamuna near Govardhana mountain. And Krishna, Balarama, all the friends, they are all enjoying wandering here and there. In that process, Krishna Paramatma kvachit gayati gayatsu. When there are butterflies doing so much of sound, Krishna Paramatma imitating them. Kvachit kvachit savalgu kujantam anukujati kokilam ఒకచోట మత్తాళియూధంబు జుమ్మని మోయంగా జుమ్మని మోయుచుండున్. When butterflies are doing sounds like jum jum, Krishna Paramatma also doing that jhunkaram and imitating them. There are some other birds like Kalahamsas doing Krinkaram. Krishna Paramatma also doing Krinkaram and imitating them. There are peacocks, they are doing dance. Then Krishna Paramatma also hastabjamulu trippi aadadodagu abhinrutyati nrutyantam barihinam hasayan kvachit. Krishna Paramatma also, by putting some poses with his delicate lotus-like beautiful hands, and he is also doing dance just like peacocks and imitating them. There is a place where so many elephants as a group walking slowly. Krishna Paramatma also walking slowly just like elephant and imitating and making all his friends laugh and smile. Krishna Paramatma imitating all the birds, their chirping sounds, and lions, tigers, when they are jumping, Krishna Paramatma also jumping and running just like them and making all his friends enjoy. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 14th chapter 2nd sloka. Idam jnanamupashritya mama sadharmyamagataha sargepi nopajayante pralaye navyadhanti cha. Idam jnanamupashritya mama sadharmyamagataha sargepi nopajayante pralaye navyadhanti cha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.